What's up guys, Eric here. Today I'll have a very exciting unboxing. So today I'll unboxing a package from GameCube. Opening this package, it also comes with a nice mat, and let's just open this up. And this is a mat with the GAN 356X on it. So here is nice mat, and yeah, it's pretty nice. The quality is very good. So I'll put this mat aside and let's see this package here. Let's open this. And then middle. And inside the box we have the new GAN 356i, some little wrapping papers, and this, and here we also have what seems is a GAN loop in there. Okay, there we go. Nice and pretty GAN loop. And let's just move forward to this box. So let's open this real quick. Here it goes. And let's just open like this. Wow. So first off, we have got the cube here. And then we'll have this charging stand, I think, to put the cube inside. And then there's also some cards. Some kind of like instructions. And a card. And in here there is a nice black GAN bag, and also this is the charging cable and some of the extra springs and more extra springs. Now let's check the cube. Let's open it. So here's the cube. The first thing I'm noticing is that it's very glossy and it's textured on the surface. And in the center cap there are 4 kind of like holes, and from the outside it is a very nice cube. So let's get into first turns. Oh wow, this cube is actually pretty nice in performance. So it also have this magnet slot And let's check out corner cutting. So 45 degrees is okay. Kind of like more than 45. Yeah, it's not that great actually. In reverse. Okay, a cube. Line to line. Yeah. So nice corner cutting for this cube. So it also comes with, actually there's an app, and you can just connect the cube with your phone and you download the app, and then let's connect the cube. Okay, connect the cube, open the Bluetooth, and then how to connect. It says shake it 5 times. Alright, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It seems there are not enough batteries, so I'm going to charge it. So I'll be back when I have charged it. Okay, so after a while of charging, I've connected my cube to my phone, and it seems there are not that much batteries, but never mind. We'll just try some of them. So this is the personal training. So let's try this. So let's try. So here's the cube, and wow, you see the actual orientation, it just follows your cube's orientation. So let's try this. Okay. Okay, I see scramble. Okay, after scramble, so there inspection time, so let's just inspect it and go. So here you go, I've solved the cube, and let's just see what have I just done. So see this, and then what? Okay, here it is. So it recognizes the time, how much you do every step, and the moves, the rotations, and the TPS, and the fluency as well. So here's my solution, and let's just see what have I just done. Actually, this is very cool. Wow, so let's just do one more solve again. Actually, I know. So again, so 12 0.91. And the status in here as well. So let's do one more soft. So 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, again, a 10 seconds off. And now let's try the online battle. So the first one. So I'm finding out an opponent to match. Okay, I find one, so let's go ahead to match. So inspection. Okay, here we go. So I'm looking at my opponent's cube, so we can see his cube also. Okay, I think I've already won. But I had to wait him to solve this as well. Okay, he solved the cube. And here is the stats. And let's just do it one more time. Okay, here's our opponent, so this scramble and inspection and go. Okay, I think I've lose this match, but never mind. Let's do it one more time. Okay, here again. Oh my god, I actually got a sub 10. So this is pretty much here for this unboxing. Make sure to like, subscribe, share the video, and I'll see you next time for more. Bye!